So the formula for the surface area of a cone can be found by imagining that we snip this cone open and squash it flat. So that tip over there becomes the center over here. The two sides that were joined separate as we squash it flat, and it makes a sector of a circle. To get the area of the sector, we can notice that in the original cone, the base had a circumference of 2 pi r, where r is the radius of that cone. And that means that purple distance over there is the same as 2 pi r. The proportion of the area here is a fraction of the full circle, which has an area pi s squared. And the fraction that it's going to be is proportional to the purple amount of the circumference over the full circumference. So we can say that the area of this shaded area of the sides of the cone is equal to the arc length, that purple line, divided by the circumference of the full circle. So 2 pi r from the original over 2 pi s times the area of the full circle. So it's a proportion of that full circle. Simplifies to pi r squared. Add that to the base of your cone, and you've got the surface area of your cone.